Put your eye to the sky for an event that requires absolutely no manpower. In fact, the less people interfere, the better the performance. Now playing for just a few weeks, the best air show in Idaho.
The Margaret Lake's proximity to the Snake River really makes it important and a first stop for some of these birds headed north. It tells us our management's going in the right direction. They could stop by, and if they don't find anything, they're going to move on quicker. But if they're there for longer periods of time and they're there in that type of number, we're doing something right. It just looks alive and spring's here.